The process of reading and writing to a file is like finding a book and opening a book. First, the file is located, open to the first page, then the reading or writing begins until it reaches the end of the file. So now let's create our first program that's going to read and write. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a file called text.txt. This here will have a bunch of random stuff that we're going to type in. So that our text should be able to create the text with a bunch of errors. So this is the text that we're going to be working with. So now let's create a program that's going to be able to read and write inside of that text file. So the first thing we're going to do is open the file. Since the file is in the same directory, most likely we should be able to just say text.txt. And for this, we're going to read. So let's run it and see if it works. Perfect. It was able to read it with no problem. Now we're going to read the data and store it inside a variable. We're going to open the text, read the data, put this in this variable, and we're going to print it, and then we're going to close the file. Here it is. Python comes with this function here already built in. So if you have a Python installed on your computer, you should be able to open any file and actually use the R to read it. And then you have to make sure to close the file. Instead of just reading the file this way, you can actually use the with open to open the file and see what's inside of it. Here is an example. And here it is. So you can do it this way or you can do it this way.